Hi everyone, welcome back. If you've ever struggled with manual can openers that hurt your hands or leave jagged edges, today's video is for you. I'm sharing my top picks for the best electric can openers that make meal prep faster, easier, and safer. Let's dive in. Number 1, Cuisinart CCO50BKN Deluxe Electric Can Opener. First up, the Cuisinart CCO50BKN Deluxe Electric Can Opener. This one's sleek in black, with a sturdy base and a stainless steel power cut blade. It handles cans of all sizes with ease, and I love the one-touch operation. Just press down and it's done. Cleanup is easy, too, thanks to the removable lever. Pros: smooth cutting, stable base, easy to clean, and it even comes with a 3-year warranty. Cons: it needs a power outlet and is bulkier than a manual opener. Overall, this is a reliable pick for anyone who values convenience. Number 2, Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Can Opener. Next is the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch. This one really stands out because it cuts along the side of the can, leaving safe, smooth edges. No more sharp lids. It works on both regular and pop-top cans, and the sleek black and chrome design looks fantastic on the counter. Pros: smooth, safe edges, one-hand operation, stylish design, and sturdy build. Cons: it does take up some counter space and needs to stay plugged in. But honestly, it's perfect for safer, stress-free cooking. Number 3, Cuisinart SCO60 Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Number 3 is the Cuisinart SCO60 Deluxe. This model uses a powerful motor system with the same trusted power cut blade. It's built to handle any size can effortlessly. I like the stable base and single touch operation, plus cleanup is simple with the removable lever. Pros: effortless operation, easy to clean, durable stainless steel design, and a 3-year warranty. Cons: a little bulkier and heavier than compact models. Still, it's dependable and built to last. Number 4, Hamilton Beach Smooth Edge Electric Can Opener. Number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Smooth Edge. This one also creates safe, reusable lids thanks to smooth edge cutting. I really like its one-handed lever. It makes multitasking in the kitchen so much easier. The extra tall design works with both pop-top and regular cans, and you even get stainless steel scissors as a bonus. Pros: safe lids, one-hand operation, tall design, bonus scissors, and mess-free cleanup. Cons: a bit bulky, and the scissors won't replace full-sized ones. Overall, it's a smart, versatile tool. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Extra Tall Electric Can Opener. Finally, the Hamilton Beach Extra Tall Electric Can Opener. If you struggle with taller cans, this one's a lifesaver. It features an easy clean detachable cutting lever, automatic shut-off, and even a built-in knife sharpener. The cord storage keeps your counter tidy, and the brushed stainless steel finish gives it a modern touch. Pros: easy cleanup, opens tall cans, automatic operation, knife sharpener, and cord storage. Cons: slightly bulky for small kitchens. But for convenience and efficiency, this one really shines. So, there you have it, 5 of the best electric can openers that make kitchen life easier. Whether you want smooth, safe lids, easy cleanup, or the ability to handle tall cans, there's something here for every kitchen. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!